To connect your Motorola Edge 50 Neo to your PC for a file transfer, first you will need to find the USB-C cable. Make sure the other end of that cable matches your PC port. In this case, I'll be using a standard USB. So now connect the USB port to your PC. And the USB-C port to your phone. Now give it a few seconds and you should see this pop up. We can select what we want to do: perform smart connect, file transfer, or photo and video transfer. And in this case, let's select the file transfer. You can, if the pop-up disappears, you can do with a notification bar. Here you can find the icon for a PC connection, and then we can select the file transfer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.